Qatar's strongest man champion Christopher Okech will be seeking to become Kenya's strongest man when he takes on his opponents in Kenya's strongest man competition, which takes place this Saturday. The 2014 Qatar's strongest man champion will also be in contention for the title currently held by Steve Wamalwa. Robinson Okenya has the details.
Fresh from winning Qatar's strongest man, Kenya's Christopher Okech is seeking to dethrone Steve Wamalwa as Kenya's strongest man in the Kenyan finals that will take place in Nairobi. Okech, who has won Qatar's strongest man on 3 consecutive occasions, feels it's finally time to be crowned the Kenyan champion.
I'm expecting a revenge of sorts, and I'm well prepared for that, and I've been training, and I think I'll have something new to bring into the table.
Okech will, however, not have the going easy. He will also be facing a familiar face in Joseph Viro, who finished second in Qatar.
Feels amazing, first of all, being home. First time for me to compete back home. Yeah. Can underestimate them because I don't know their level of training because I haven't trained them with them before. So I'm just expecting a challenge. Yeah. Feels amazing. For myself, I'm ready because after I just competed 2 weeks ago, I'm just in the top form.
The two feel Kenya's championship is challenging compared to the one in Qatar.
Over there, we can talk about the prize. It's a bit higher. And then the activities that we do over there is different from here. Like we're doing 5 events only in Qatar. Here we're doing like 9 events. See the slightly difference, like 4 events more extra.
Defending champion Steve Wamalwa, who has held the title in the last 2 years, will also be out to defend his title and the goodies that come with it.
He will be walking away with 200,000 shillings in cash and also a piece of land in Ngong. The first runners-up will be walking away with 100,000 shillings in cash, as well as an eighth of an acre in Ngong.
The championships will be held at the Nairobi Gymkhana. Robinson Okenya, KTN Sports.